Company Limited is special in developing and making CNC coiling machine, spring forming machine. We produced advanced coiling machine and spring forming machine with free arm, developed tech of spring forming, and take advantage of the traditional wire forming model. Might wind the appreciation of Western companies through more than 20 years of developing with its unique feature, quickly setting up, time saving, electricity saving, high stability, high precision. We will follow the codes always during the future furious competition. Science and technology oriented, win through high quality, considerate service, exploration and innovation, commitment to excellence to supply customer with good quality and price production.